Yeah. It's the making of. So what are you doing?
Just making today's meeting go smoothly. Cables, mics, make sure that the artists can hear themselves and have a good time. That's about it, really.
Yeah. So what can we expect?
Loads of positive things, loads of good artists, good word-spoken words come out as well, and people not just leave here entertained but also ministered to. You know, they leave here thinking about life and how they can be of relevance in the community and to their family and to people generally they come in contact with the sphere of life. That's what I'm longing for today. I'm really hopeful for that today. I'm expecting it actually. And